Hi, I'm Mike, and we're going to talk today about the basic operations of a motorcycle. The bike we're using today is a 2025 Suzuki DR-Z400SM, so it's a little bit different from your standard bike with just a couple of these features here. First, we're going to talk about hand controls. You'll have your ignition switch right in the center of the bike underneath the display screen. On our hand controls on the left side, we have the clutch lever sitting up front. You have your controls for the instrument panel, your signal lights, your horn, and your high beams as well, all on the left side. On the right side, we do have the toggle switch for your kill switch and your start, as well as the throttle grip, and your front primary brake is on the right side as well. A couple things you want to check before your first ride there. You're going to want to make sure your chain deflection is good. You're going to want to make sure your tire pressures are good and that you have no flats. All right, and to get the bike started, we're going to turn the key to the on position. Your headlight should illuminate as well as your instrument panel. The bike will not be able to start until you press the kill switch. After the kill switch has been pressed, the bike will start. Do one final check, walk around the bike, make sure everything looks good. Check your signal lights for functionality and your brake light as well. On this bike in particular, underneath the seat, you have your battery and tender lead. Most tender leads come from Alsport. We do have them there, so when the bike is being stored in the winter, you're easily able to plug it in and let it charge. Up along the front, you'll find in this bike, Suzuki actually has the oil outlet and the dipstick in the frame of the bike, which is very special to this bike. On most bikes, you'll find the oil filler and the sight glass on the right side lower section of the engine, typically in this area here.
From cruisers to sport bikes, Alsport Sales has the ride you've been dreaming of. For more details about some of the bikes we have in our showroom, visit allsport.ca or drop in at a Regina location.